Cardano is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been killing it in our Telegram channel, almost 200% in the past 2 weeks, and we are about to push 400 members. Make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Cardano yesterday, we were testing a very crucial resistance point. I mentioned in the Telegram channel that it's going to be very important for Cardano to first break above the 34-cent resistance before we start looking for a bullish case scenario. You can see since that video, of course, we did reject off that level perfectly, and as of right now, we are consolidating right in between our exponential moving averages while retesting a midterm support level multiple times. As you guys already know, the more times a midterm support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking, and the fact that the bulls cannot break above the 34-cent resistance is extremely bearish. Usually when we see a breakout formation, we have to hold this level as support, and you can see that we did see 3 test confirmations trying to break above that level, and immediately after we rejected. You can also see the fact that we do have a beautiful M formation, which is also a very bearish pattern forming on Cardano. What I'm looking forward to see is what happens once we end up breaking our midterm support level, because as you guys already know, we have been in this situation before. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see the same sort of price movement over here when we actually ended breaking down on the 30-cent support level, retesting it as support, and then we got those wick highs at 37 immediately after we started to create new lower lows on Cardano, which is exactly what I'm paying attention to see whether or not we repeat the same thing. Now, of course, from a bullish case scenario, if somehow the bulls can break above the 36-cent resistance level, the ideal range for this massive V-shaped formation, our take profit level would remain at 39. But of course, number one thing we have to pay attention to is to see whether or not we can see that volume come into the market. You can see even here on the daily time frame, as of right now, Cardano is rejecting off these exponential moving averages, although we are holding them as support, but we keep retesting them. As you guys already know from our live sessions, we saw multiple examples of this situation happening where we end up opening on the new daily candle and seeing a massive flush towards the downside. The fact that we can't seem to break above on the resistance of 34 even after this liquidity grab isn't something we wanted to see. Of course, we were trading off weekend volume, which I did warn you guys about is very manipulated, but leading into the week now, we do of course have the federal meeting coming up, so we have to be very certain that if we do end up breaking below these exponential moving averages, this move set is going to be extremely large. The last time we ended up breaking below our EMAs, you can see that Cardano did have some massive capitulation, and ideally after a massive breakdown formation and hitting our take profit of 30 cents perfectly, I mentioned that this is a good area for a scalp before that continuation to the downside, and right now this is exactly what's looking to play out. You can see even here in terms of RSI, we were in extreme oversold conditions, so shorting at the 30-cent level didn't really make sense. Ideally, from a buy opportunity, I would much rather look at the 28-cent level because of the fact that there's a ton of liquidity down there before looking for the long-term play. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.